What you are looking at here is an example of the first page of an essay that is formatted according to MLA standards. Let's start at the top right, and that is called the header. The header will be on every page, and it's going to be the student's last name, so your last name and the page number. And when you watch the video that is part of the chapter you were supposed to read, it will show you how to insert that header and page number using the tools in Microsoft Word. Over the top left is the heading. The heading is only on the first page. There are 4 things, and they need to be in this order: your name, the professor's name, the name of the course, and then the date. And please notice that the date is with the day first, and then the month spelled out, and then the year. Moving on down, we have the title that needs to be centered. Notice that it is in regular type, so it is not italicized, it's not underlined, there are no quotation marks around it, just regular type. Now over at the left, there's a few extra rules. The font needs to be changed to Times New Roman 12-point size. The spacing should be double spaced, and again, make sure you watch that video because it shows you how to do that, and it shows you how to make both the before and the after set at 0, which is an important part to do. And then the final rule is to have 1-inch margins. If you are using Microsoft Word, 1-inch margins is the default, but it's always a good idea to check. So that is how you would format your essay into MLA guidelines.